Hi sweet blossoms, today I'm super excited to share this beautiful 5-petal pentagon flower motif. And guess what? I designed this motif by myself. You can also join it with the hexagon flower motif from my previous video and create stunning colorful crochet projects. Before we start the tutorial, make sure you already made the flower first because that's the base of this project. I've shared the link of the previous video for you in description below. Ready? Let's jump in. Make a slip knot on your hook and start from the single crochet between 2 petals here. Wrap a yarn around your hook and insert your hook into the single crochet. Make a double crochet in there. Bring the yarn out, pull through 2 loops and pull through 2 loops. Also, you can make 5 chains as a 3 double crochet and 2 chains, okay? Then make 2 chains for the 2 chain space and again make 1 more double crochet into the same stitch, okay? And make a chain. Go to the next chain space here, make 3 double crochet and 1 chain. 1, 2, 3, and now make 1 chain. Skip the single crochet into the next chain space, make 3 double crochet, 2 and 3, 1 chain, and now make V stitch. That means 1 double crochet, 2 chains, and again 1 double crochet. Now make 1 chain. Skip single crochet into the next chain space, make 3 double crochet, 1, 2 and 3, and 1 chain. Again into the same chain space, make 2 double crochet, 1 and 2. Okay, skip single crochet into the next chain space, make 1 double crochet, 1 chain, and V stitch. 1 double crochet, 2 chains, and 1 double crochet. Now make 1 chain. And another 1 double crochet in the same chain space. Now skip single crochet into the next chain space, make 2 double crochet, 1 chain, and 3 double crochet, 1, 2, and 3, and 1 chain. Into the single crochet, make V stitch. That means make 1 double crochet, 2 chains, and 1 double crochet, and 1 chain. Okay? Now into the next chain space, make 3 double crochet, 1, 2, and 3, chain 1, and again into the same chain space, make 2 double crochet, 1 and 2. And skip single crochet into the next chain space, make 1 double crochet, 1 chain, and V stitch, 1 double crochet, 2 chains, and 1 double crochet, and 1 chain, and 2 double crochet into the same stitch. Okay? And skip single crochet into the last chain space, make 1 double crochet, chain 1, 3 double crochet, 1, 2 and 3, and chain 1. Now join with the slip stitch to the first double crochet or third chain. Okay, here is our first round. Our pentagon is ready. Okay, here is our first round, and for the next round, move into the chain space by the slip stitch and now make 5 chains as a 1 double crochet and 2 chains. Then make 1 more double crochet into the chain 2 space here and 1 double crochet into the next double crochet, 1 double crochet into the chain space here, chain 1 space, 1 double crochet into the next 1 double crochet here, and now bring your petal, make a single crochet between 2 clusters of 3 double crochet in the top of it, and skip this stitch, go to the next stitch, make 1 double crochet. Okay, 1 double crochet into the chain space. Now make 1 double crochet into the each next 3 stitches, skip chain 1 here, and make 1 double crochet into the next stitch. Into the V stitch, make 1 double crochet, and now a slip stitch to the top of the petal between 2 clusters of 3 double crochet here, make a slip stitch, and now make 2 chains and 1 double crochet into the chain 2 space. Okay, in 1 double crochet into the next stitch, skip chain 1 space, and 1 double crochet into the each next 3 stitches, 1, 2, and 3, and 1 double crochet in the chain space. Now make a single crochet in the top of the petal between 2 clusters of 3 double crochet, and skip this stitch and make 1 double crochet into the each next 2 stitches, 1 and 2. Now make 1 double crochet in the chain space, chain 1. Okay, then 1 double crochet in the next stitch, into the V stitch, make 1 double crochet, a slip stitch in the top of the petal between the 3 double crochets, then make 2 chains and 1 double crochet in the chain 2 space, 1 double crochet in the next stitch, 1 double crochet in the chain stitch, chain 1, and 1 double crochet in the each next 3 stitches, 1, 2, and 3, and now 1 single crochet in the top of the petal, skip this stitch here, chain 1 stitch, 1 single double crochet in the next 3 stitches, 2 and 3, skip chain 1, and 1 double crochet in the next stitch. Now into the V stitch, make 1 double crochet, 2 chains and 1 double crochet, 1 double crochet in the next stitch, 1 double crochet in the chain 1 stitch, 1 double crochet in the next 2 stitches, 1 and 2. Now make a single crochet in the top of the petal and skip this stitch, 1 double crochet in the chain 1 stitch, and now make 1 double crochet into the each next 3 stitches, 1, 2, and 3, skip chain 1 space, make 1 double crochet in the next stitch, into the V stitch, make 1 double crochet, a slip stitch in the top of the petal, 2 chains, and 1 double crochet in the same space in the chain 2. Okay, 1 double crochet in the next stitch, 1 double crochet in the chain 1 space, and 1 double crochet into the each next 3 stitches, 1, 2, and 3, 1 double crochet in the chain space here, and 1 double crochet in the next stitch. Now single crochet in the top of the petal, skip this stitch, into the next stitch, make 1 double crochet, and now into the V stitch, join with the slip stitch. Here is our second row, As you can see, our pentagon is almost done, and all we need to do is that making the last row, round 3, move to the chain to space by the slip stitch, then make 5 chains and 1 double crochet in the same chain space. And now make 1 double crochet into the each next stitches until we receive to the petal. Here in the previous stitch of it, make 1 double crochet, don't complete it, skip the petal, again 1 double crochet, don't complete it, and pull through all the loops you have on your hook, and then continue with making 1 double crochet into the each next stitches until the corner into the chain to space. Okay, here is our V stitch. Insert your hook into the chain space, make 1 double crochet, 2 chains, and again insert your hook into the chain space in the other side of the petal and make a 1 double crochet. Then make 1 double crochet into the each next stitches until you receive to the petal, the previous stitch of it and the next stitch of it. Make 2 double crochet together, skip the petal stitch. Okay, look, here is our first stitch, skip it, and here is our second stitch, and pull through all the loops and done. Again making 1 double crochet into the each next stitches until you receive to the V stitch. Here into the V stitch, make 1 double crochet in the one side of the petal, then make 2 chains, and again make 1 double crochet into the other side of it and make a double crochet. Okay, done. Look, we have 12 stitches in each side of our pentagon. That means you can use it and join it with the hexagon that we made in the previous video. Look like this, and you can make many projects you like. Okay, let me show you. Again, make 1 double crochet into the each next stitches until you receive to the petal, the previous stitch of the petal, and into the next stitch of the petal, making 2 double crochet together. Look, 1, skip the petal, and the second one, and now pull through all the loops, and we had made the 2 double crochet together. Then make 1 double crochet into each next stitches and into the chain to space, just making 1 double crochet, 2 chains, and 1 double crochet. Again for the next side, make 1 double crochet, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now the 5th one, skip it, skip the chain 1, and again with the next one make 2 double crochet together. Okay, then continue with making 1 double crochet into the each next stitches, and in the corner make 1 double crochet. Look, here is our V stitch. Let me show you. Here, insert your hook into it and make 1 double crochet, 2 chains, and go to the next side of the petal in the chain to space. Again make 1 double crochet, and again continue with making 1 double crochet into the each next stitches till we receive to the petal. If you don't want to use this pentagon with the hexagon, you don't have to making your double crochets together. Just make 1 double crochet into the each stitches of the each side and just skip the petals stitch. Okay, in the end join with the slip stitch to the 3rd chain, and done. Our pentagon is ready, and all we need to do is that cut the tail of the yarn and fasten off. If you want, you can make this pentagon bigger by making a few more rounds. Now with my needle, I insert my needle under the third stitch here, bring it out, and again insert it inside the first stitch, and done. And moving between the stitches and secure my tail of the yarn and then cut it. Okay, our cute little pentagon is all done. I really hope you enjoyed making it with me. If this tutorial helped you even a little bit, don't forget to hit that like subscribe button and say hi in the comments. It totally makes my day. And as I said to you, you can join it with the hexagon flower motif from my previous video and create stunning crochet projects. More fun shapes with this flower are coming super soon, so stick around. Thanks for hanging out with me. Love you all. Happy crocheting. See you next time. Bye.